Cicada, superfamily Cicadoidea, is a fascinating insect known for its distinctive song and long life cycles, especially the periodic species that spend up to 17 years underground before emerging in mass. Cicadas are part of the superfamily Cicadoidea and are found on every continent except Antarctica, with around 3,000 species worldwide. They are recognizable by their large size, bulging eyes, and membranous wings. While most people know cicadas for their loud buzzing calls, they also play important roles in ecosystems, contributing to soil aeration and serving as a food source for many predators. Physical characteristic cicadas are large insects, often measuring between 2 to 5 centimeters in length, though some species, like the emperor cicada, can grow even larger. Their appearance is unique, with features that make them easily distinguishable. Key physical features include wings. Cicadas have 2 pairs of clear, membranous wings with distinct veins. Their wings are held tent-like over their bodies when at rest. Eyes. They have large, bulging eyes set far apart on their head, giving them a wide field of vision. Mouthparts. Cicadas have piercing, sucking mouthparts designed for feeding on plant sap. They insert their straw-like proboscis into tree branches or plant stems to extract nutrients. Body. Their bodies are robust and often mottled in shades of brown, black, or green, providing camouflage in trees and other vegetation. Sound-producing organs. Male cicadas have specialized structures called tymbals located on their abdomen, which they use to produce their characteristic loud calls. Sound and communication. Cicadas are best known for the loud buzzing or clicking sounds they produce, which can be heard over long distances. The sounds are created by males to attract females and are produced by the rapid vibration of the tymbals, which are ribbed membranes located on the sides of the abdomen. Sound production. The tymbals are flexed in and out, creating a rapid succession of clicks that combine to form a continuous droning sound. The hollow body of the cicada amplifies the noise, making it one of the loudest insects in the world. Some species can reach 100 decibels, comparable to the volume of a lawnmower or a chainsaw. Mating calls. Each species of cicada has its own distinct song, which males use to attract females. The timing, pattern, and frequency of the calls vary between species, helping females recognize males of their own kind. Alarm sounds. Cicadas can also produce distress calls when they are threatened, which may startle predators. Life cycle and metamorphosis. Cicadas undergo incomplete metamorphosis, which includes 3 life stages: egg, nymph, and adult. The most remarkable aspect of the cicada's life cycle is the long period spent underground as a nymph, feeding on the sap of plant roots. Eggs. Female cicadas lay their eggs in slits they cut into tree branches or plant stems. After hatching, the nymphs drop to the ground and burrow into the soil. Nymphs. Cicada nymphs live underground for most of their lives, feeding on the sap of tree roots. Depending on the species, the nymph stage can last anywhere from 2 to 17 years. Periodical cicadas, such as Magicicada species, are known for their synchronized emergence every 13 or 17 years, while other species have shorter, more regular life cycles. Nymphs molt several times as they grow, and when they are ready to become adults, they dig their way to the surface, typically at night, and climb onto nearby vegetation. Adults. After emerging from the soil, the nymphs molt one final time, shedding their exoskeleton to reveal their adult form. Adults are relatively short-lived, typically surviving for just a few weeks. During this time, they focus on mating and laying eggs before dying. Species and diversity. Cicadas are incredibly diverse, with species found in both temperate and tropical regions. They are generally divided into 2 groups based on their life cycles. Annual cicadas. These species emerge every year and are more common in warm climates. They are less synchronized in their emergence and can be seen and heard during the summer months. Periodical cicadas. These species, found primarily in North America, have much longer life cycles, emerging in spectacular numbers every 13 or 17 years. The emergence of Magicicada species is particularly well known, as millions of cicadas surface simultaneously, filling the air with their collective song. Some notable species include Magicicada septendicim, a species of periodical cicada that emerges every 17 years in the eastern United States. Tibicin linei, a common annual cicada in North America, known for its loud song during the summer months. Cyclochila australasia, the green grocer cicada, one of the loudest insects in the world, found in Australia. Ecological role. Cicadas play important roles in ecosystems, both as herbivores and as prey for a wide range of animals. Soil aeration. When cicada nymphs dig tunnels and emerge from the soil, they help to aerate the earth, which can improve soil quality and promote plant growth. Food source. Cicadas are an important food source for many predators, including birds, mammals, reptiles, and other insects. The mass emergence of periodical cicadas provides a temporary abundance of food, which can lead to population booms in their predators. Nutrient cycling. When cicadas die in large numbers after mating, their decomposing bodies return nutrients to the soil, enriching it for plant growth. Camouflage and defense mechanisms. Cicadas rely on their camouflage to avoid predators. Their mottled brown, green, or black coloration helps them blend into tree bark and leaves, making it difficult for predators to spot them. Flight. Adult cicadas are strong flyers, and when threatened, they can quickly take off to escape predators. Distress calls. Some cicadas produce distress sounds when caught by a predator, which may startle the attacker and give the cicada a chance to escape. Threats and conservation. Cicadas are generally abundant, and most species are not considered endangered. However, their habitats can be threatened by deforestation, urbanization, and climate change, which can affect their life cycles and emergence patterns. For periodical cicadas, the loss of mature trees, which are essential for egg-laying and providing food for nymphs, poses a threat. Pesticides used in agricultural and urban areas can also negatively impact cicada populations. Human interaction. Cicadas are harmless to humans and do not bite or sting. Although they feed on plant sap, they do not typically cause significant damage to trees or crops. However, during mass emergences of periodical cicadas, their sheer numbers can be overwhelming, and their loud song can be a nuisance in urban areas. Some cultures view cicadas as symbols of rebirth and immortality due to their long life cycles and transformation from nymph to adult. In certain countries, cicadas are even eaten as a delicacy. Cicadas are fascinating insects with unique life cycles and impressive adaptations. Known for their loud calls and synchronized emergences, they contribute to ecosystems by aerating soil, providing food for predators, and recycling nutrients. While they may be best known for their noisy songs, cicadas are an integral part of many natural habitats, offering insight into the complexity and beauty of the insect world. Thank you for watching, guys.